It is Monday today. It is August 12th. Can you believe it's already August? But I just made myself a matcha. This is my first time trying the cold pour, cold stirring matcha. Actually, so freaking good. Do you see how green and creamy that looks? I love. It changed the taste. Like, it's so much better for some reason. But anyway, I'm here today at the coffee shop working here until like 2, and then after that I have to head to my other job. So this is kind of like a little come to work with me vlog today. It's been a very slow morning here at the coffee shop, so I've just been chilling. Hello beautiful people. I'm currently at the coffee shop. I am working my very last shift today at Saloon. Oh my god. Can you believe that? It's kind of insane to me. I just trained a new barista. She's like, reminds me of myself when I first started here, because I had no idea about being a barista. I had no experience, and I just kind of had like a great time training her. It's a very bittersweet moment because this is like my longest job I've ever stayed at, and it was like a job I really enjoyed, and I loved it, and I had so much fun. I've made so many memories here. I even had my first own concert here, like for my music. Just so many like beautiful memories here, and I'm actually really sad to be leaving, but it is that time to go. Like, I haven't actually worked here in a long time. I think the last time I worked here was like February maybe, and it's currently August 28th. So I actually came back and started working here again for the summer, just like help out and also get more hours, because I do have another job, which is my CNA job. But now it is that time to go because I have like a full-time schedule now at my CNA job, and I enjoy my CNA job right now. That's where I want to be. I want to like further my career into nursing, and yeah, just finally get life rolling with school. It's just so crazy to me that I'm actually like gonna be done working here. I'm just like going through like all my memories here. It's gonna be so sad. But yeah, this is my last shift here though, for real. It is so hot. I just finished my shift. I'm not gonna lie, I'm excited to leave and just start this new chapter in my life, okay? I have so many updates for you guys, like just in general. So much has been, changing, so much is going on right now. The main priority is saving money, working at my other job, which I'm actually heading to right now. So like, there have been days this summer where I decided to work at the coffee shop in the mornings and then go work PM shifts at the house. It's honestly like not too bad. It was kind of manageable, but the only problem is like I literally would work from 5, like I would clock in at 6:30, clock out at 2, and then go to my next job by 2:30, clock in at 2:30, clock out by 11. So like I'm literally working all day, and it gets really tiring. I was so burnt out, and I actually got COVID for the first time ever last week. As crappy as I felt and like sick I was, it was a blessing in disguise because I think my body was definitely telling me to slow down. I barely had days off, like 1 or 2 days. If I got 2 days, that was like the perfect, like it was just perfect. But sometimes it would be scattered, like 1 day off here and then like the next day I'm off here. So now that my schedule is pretty much set for the rest of the year, until school starts, I'm just gonna be like working at the house and saving my money because I want to do as much as I can before I go to nursing school. If I haven't told you guys yet already, I did get accepted into nursing school. I am going to West Coast University, so you already know I'm gonna vlog, but I've had friends who went there. They loved it. I have a coworker who recently went there and graduated and loved it. I'm excited for this new chapter in my life. Even just me leaving this coffee shop, it was hard for me to let go. I was like, should I just keep it or just completely like call it quits now because it has been 3 years. I have worked here for 3 years. 92 degrees, it's so hot. I'm here at work. I'm just chilling in the office. Currently on my break, which is ending in like 7 minutes. Today's been a very, very easy day so far, which we love. We love easy chill days at work. Like both jobs today have been so chill. I have like 5 more hours to go, which isn't too bad because it kind of just goes by fast. I might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You ain't I'm stuck up in my ways, but love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I hear you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Make me think it through some magic and yeah, like you did it. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You get it, and I'll be there.
Find your joy, you'll be rich. Be there. I might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my way.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I've really been like updating you guys like in real time. A lot of my vlogs this past year has been like from months ago, or like a lot of time has passed already. But yeah, I am officially 25 now. My birthday was just a few days ago and life is just going by so fast. I even forgot that like my birthday was even happening, so I planned like a lot of things last minute. But with that being said, I feel like this is a good time to start focusing on adult things and my future, my career, like really hone in on that. Some updates about that is that I got accepted into nursing school and I will be going to West Coast University. I'm definitely going to be vlogging my experience there and just my weekly updates. I want to get back into vlogging every week, and when I vlog I feel like I'm a better person because I feel like I get to just talk everything out. I love sharing it with you guys. I love sharing my life and like things I do. With that being said, I wanted to make this video about like just catching up. I don't know, I really want to be more consistent. I really want to be more consistent because I love picking up the camera, because I think a lot of this whole year I was really focusing on work and just trying to make money and like have fun and do what I want to do. So yeah, that's like some updates. It's really just nursing school and a lot of work right now. I start school in January. I can finally access Canvas. I feel like it's very rare for me to have alone time like this because I'm always working. When I have days off, I'm just sleeping or going out, shopping. So anyway, let's get focused here. So I'm on the dashboard. So we're gonna start new student Canvas orientation. This is so crazy. Sorry, the lighting in here is terrible. I finished my student orientation. It was literally just navigating Canvas. That's what it was about. And then like just a survey. So it's super easy, super simple. I am currently exporting my Japan videos because that's been long overdue. Sorry, I'm eating Skittles. Anyway, yeah, so uploading that. Japan part 1. The rest will be out in the following weeks. For now, we're gonna go clean the room, just tidy it up a little just because it's a mess. Hi.
Are we live?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Came in right at the perfect time.
Are you talking about me?
No, we're just talking about cleaning the room.
Nice. When is that gonna happen?
Right now.
Right now? Okay.
That's why I'm filming.
Sounds great. I'll put her on the spot, so now
Yeah.
she gotta do it right now.
I mean, I have to
She
now.
said she was gonna do it right now, but she really wasn't gonna do it.
Ooh, let's just turn this down a bit. Okay, maybe that's better. We're gonna start off with my backpack. It's a mess. She's gone through a lot.
Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You busy, and I'll be there. Be there.
I might just call and catch a plane. I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my ways. But love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in.
Instead of digging through everything else, I'm just gonna like tidy up the room and actually clean the couch because it's a mess. The closet's another thing. Like, my stuff is a mess. My stuff is always a mess. My car, that's another story. That's a whole nother mess in itself. So we're just gonna have to do a cleaning video. This is gonna end up being a cleaning video because you know why? This is me getting my life together because my messy stuff, messy room, messy car, messy closet is all messing up my mind, my mental health, and it's definitely affecting me. So it all starts with a clean room so you can have a clean mind. It feels like me trying to clean this room is honestly just creating more mess. And the more that I look into this closet, the more I want to freak out, and it's making me not want to do this. I'm kind of going insane. Clearly there's a lot of deep baggage I'm like just dealing with. I don't know. I'm a mess. My life's a mess. Don't even want to look at this right now. I don't even want to show you because just looking at it makes me feel tired and drained already, and I'm just not prepared. This is like a whole day's worth of cleaning. Like, I need a full day to do all this. I still don't know where my charger is. I'm just gonna guess it's in my car, but who knows? Who knows? Because everything's a mess.
Here's your blood.